Today we have a 2006 Gto stock cam automatic car, built trans converter with an APS twin turbo kit. And we started off tuning it, made about 7-8 pounds. We've been working it up. Gonna stop here at about 11 pounds as we're running out of injector, probably fuel system. And it's got a stock cam, so valve springs and all, probably not gonna take much more, but it's making great power now. Dusty, can you show us what it made?
It made 499.6. We started at 408, and we increased about 2 pounds of boost and then tuned on it. We put 2 wide bands in it because it's twin turbos, the APS kit, so it has 2 separate exhaust runs to the back and no crossover, so we wanted to monitor both sides of the motor. Kind of where it started versus where it is now. Air fuel's dialed in, Chris added all the time it'll take. It's on 93, it won't flex. And you know, we just kind of seeing where we're at, get as much out of it right here, and then get the game plan and move forward to make more. I think we got a pretty good idea of what we want.
Yeah, we'll probably try, we're cooling it down now. We're gonna try one more hit just to see if we can get over 500. You know, it's always good to eclipse a big number like that. But overall, the tune is good, and you could send it just like it is.
And our dyno sheets, we use standard or SAE correction factors just because that's kind of the industry standard.
Yep. That way, no matter if it's hot, cold, whatever, you have repeatable results.
Some shops use standard correction, which is just a different formula that on standard, this graph will be 509, 519, which sells, right? Numbers sell to a degree, but we want to stick with SAE. That's just kind of what everybody typically uses.
And if we have it saved as SAE, we can easily go back to all these charts and have numbers that actually the same. If you use standard on a really hot day, it's going to correct or show more power.
Today, the standard correction is 1.02, so it's adding 2%. If we did a standard correction, today it would show 4%. So just the formula that they use on that, and then uncorrected, it's not going to make very much. It's hot and humid today.
Yep.
The humidity is pretty high.
So yeah, that's right. The standard shows a correction based off of humidity and heat. Gotcha. So that makes sense.
As does SAE, they just a different formula.
Yep. SAE seems more repeatable, and the different days don't make as big a difference. The numbers will stay true. So yeah, anyways, we picked it up almost 100, close to it, 90 something. So we're pretty happy with that. Gonna do one more cool down pull.
I think it'll break 500.
I hope it'll break 500 too. That'll be a good number to see.
We did find a boost leak too.
Yeah, we haven't traded.
There's a nipple that was uncapped. The cap had deteriorated away. So.
Yeah, and we just found that. So yeah, we'll see what happens on the next pull. Same tune, cooler, and picked up, as you can see, cooler engine is always happier, and it made another 23 horsepower. We did find that little boost leak. It maybe gained a little bit of boost, but this is on around 11 pounds, 523.79 and 530 torque. So to be a stock cam, just pretty much a stock GTO with a turbo kit, it's pretty stout.